I'm Mike Griffiths, Technical Manager for Retigo UK, and today I want to talk about why water treatment is important in combi ovens. So yeah, years ago, 20 years ago, started out as a catering engineer. You get asked to visit an oven, or dishwasher, or anything in the kitchen basically, and you see this very dirty bullet type thing at the side of the piece of equipment, and you're like, ugh, I don't really want to touch that. And they say, oh, what's wrong with the oven? Why is it full of scale? Why is the dishwasher not working? And basically, as an engineer, you've got so many things in your head, so many things you need to learn and sort of know, and you're supposed to know. Water treatment really isn't one of them things that you want to focus on. So yeah, in the early days I was the same, just like, yeah, whatever, somebody else needs to sort that out, get them in. But you know, over the years, and especially maybe the last 10 years, I've learned how important water treatment is. One thing about water treatment is there's 100% categorically, it is way better, and it's the truth, to pre-soften than to descale after. You know, there's ovens on the market which supply some descale tablets and say that that's fine. It's actually not, because it actually costs you more in energy to heat hard water than it does to heat soft water. When you wash your oven, it 100% hard water washing is less effective than soft water washing. So 100%, I'm going to say it again, the word 100%, pre-softening or pre-treatment of water outweighs untreated water when we're talking about combi ovens. And yeah, you need to get on board. You need to do the research and embrace it, basically.